Floors are now closed. Also, according to agreement with Moscow, we can't get inside to see what was there. Two ways to receive a signal. If you have a duty regime, just for training, green light, you receive the code on your screen. But if the light is red, you could receive the code on your screen or the place for the second telephone. It was straight connection with Moscow, without any code on the screen. You pick up the receiver, the president says the code, you push it on the keyboard, and the rocket was launched. We control from this place 10 rockets. We can launch one by one, 4, 7, or 10 at the same time. It depended on the signal you receive. Now we will try to launch 10 rockets at the same time. When I say push your button. Your button is here, and your button is here. 1, you can push, yes. 1, 2, 3, push. So now we are going to launch 10 rockets. You press codes for each. Your codes were correct and they are accepted. Roofs of the silos open. Rockets went to the United States.
America, пока-пока.
17-20 minutes and they will be there.
So okay.
Хорошо. Очень хорошо. До свидания, товарищ.
Very quickly. Just 20 minutes and you can imagine 10 rockets with the power of 4 megatons, like 1,000 Hiroshimas.
Oh.
That's more than enough.
Yeah.
And we had 86 rockets we could launch from all our divisions. In our division we had regiments, and if we launched all 86 rockets, that will be like an ocean instead of the United States. Nothing left.